guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I finally thought of getting back on track. So I'm finally posting new videos from now on, and I will make sure that I'll post consistent. So today's video is about my summer skincare routine. Actually, this video is much needed because this summer sucks. This summer actually sucks because everybody needs to do skincare, because without skincare your skin is totally like, I just don't have any words to say, to be honest. You have to take care of your skin. So here it goes for the women and ladies who do their work on outdoors. So let's jump into the video.
So firstly I'm using this Plum's makeup remover balm, which has very creamy consistency, as you can all see. I'm gonna massage it on my face until my makeup break down. Just gently massage it on your skin. You don't have to use any water on your face, and massage it on your under eyes, and just remove it. I'm gonna use a wet wipe. You can use any tissue paper and water you have. So now I'm using M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Scrub on my face and gently massage it on my face. Remember, you don't have to be so harsh on your skin, and just massage it on your upwards and massage the area where you have blackheads and pores. Just gently massage it. And now I'm using this Wow's apple cider vinegar face wash. It has brush with which has a small silicone bristles, which helps removing your makeup and dirt as well. You can see I'm using this on my face in circular motions, very slightly and gently. And I'm gonna use this Pond's moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer you have and apply where you have to remove your facial hairs. Now I'm taking this facial hair removal like brow razor and gently remove my facial hair. If you want detailed video on how to remove your facial hairs, just let me know in comment section below. I will love to do it. And just hold your skin up tight and remove it gently. Remember, I'm doing this many times. If you're doing this first time, just be patient and do it very slowly. Okay, and I'm removing excess hairs on my face from this wet wipe. As you can see, my skin is looking so clean after removal my face hairs, and now you can see looks like a plain canvas. And now I'm using this Plum's face mask, which has chamomile in it. So I'm gonna apply it for 10 minutes and remove it. You can see. And now I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Shield SPF 50 sunscreen. Remember, if you are going outside or not, just apply your sunscreen no matter what, because it really does effect. And now I'm using this, my favorite moisturizer, the Clinique Moisture Surge. And you guys won't believe, this is my third tub and I'm so in love with it. And massage it until it gets absorbed in your skin. You won't even feel that you have applied anything on your skin, to be honest. And now I'm using this Biotic Berry lip balm, which has a slightly tint in it, which helps your lips look so plumper, and it also claims that it will remove any pigmentation if you have. So
Guys, that's it. This is my summer skincare routine. This routine is very useful for the combination skin out there. So I like this routine, and it really make my skin so hydrated and nourishing. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. And before going, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.